Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Nissan X-Trail's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues, common in 2015-2023 models, often stem from software glitches or hardware faults. Start with a soft reset. Hold the volume and power buttons for 10 seconds. If that fails, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes. For no sound, check audio settings and ensure the amplifier is functioning. If problems persist, it could indicate a deeper issue like a faulty ECU or corrupted data caches. Consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, particularly U1000, which indicates communication faults. These are the initial steps to fixing the issue and may restore basic functionality. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, your X-Trail may benefit from a software update. Nissan released OTA Update 3.2.1 in early 2025 to address system crashes during navigation or media playback. Download via the My Nissan app if available. Older models may require a dealership visit for a manual firmware flash. Persistent issues could point to hardware failures, like faulty touchscreen capacitors, especially in high-mileage vehicles. While Nissan hasn't issued major recalls in 2025, extended warranties are available. As a last resort, consider professional repair. Future X-Trail models will likely include AI-enhanced self-diagnostics and more durable hardware to prevent these common infotainment problems. User forums can also provide solutions. Consider looking there for help.